Now let's watch the successful boot up. System just restarted. Sorry about that, that was my finger getting in the way. Back to Cortana. I guess it's just going to continue updating. Oh, what's this? What's in the cut?
Then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Let's go with an offline account for now.
You're about to set up an offline account, but I wanted to make sure you know, Windows... Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in.
No, we want an offline account.
You're about to set up an offline account, but I wanted to make sure you know, Windows works... Type what you want to name your account.
Okay.
Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Great. Now, with an offline account, if you forget your password, the only way to retrieve it is with a hint, so make sure it's memorable. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? These are the settings Microsoft recommends.
I'm in the process of getting everything set up.
Okay, that's the last step. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Donna Dunlap's computer. Like with the previous video, that was her computer also. Sorry, I'm also eating. Well, since it says this might take several minutes, and we want everything to be ready for you, don't turn off your PC. I'm not going to torture you all through watching this, so I'll give you an update once it's done. Thank you again for watching.